Toyota's biggest SUV brings more luxury at a higher cost. The 2026 Sequoia update quietly raises prices while adding subtle luxury touches and a standout new paint color. The 2026 Toyota Sequoia debuts with a notable $1,600 increase in starting price. Base trim grows more expensive but only adds a standard power-folding third-row seat. Limited model gains leather upholstery, while Capstone gets a more luxurious interior. Following hot on the heels of the Tundra, Toyota has introduced the latest Sequoia. The body-on-frame SUV gets a little more expensive and luxurious for 2026. Since this is a model year update, the only notable styling change is the addition of a wave maker paint job. It's exclusive to the Sequoia TRD Pro, which starts at $80,765 and undercuts the Ford Expedition Tremor. Bigger changes occur inside as all trims now come equipped with a power-folding third-row seat. On the topic of seats, the Sequoia Limited ditches SofTex upholstery for proper leather. It's a welcome change and buyers will find black leather with white contrast stitching or gray leather with black stitching. The range-topping Capstone has also been revamped as its black and white interior gives way to a new shale cabin. The stylish seats sport textured accents, brown flourishes, and Capstone badging. We can also see gray walnut wood trim instead of the old brown walnut. A hybrid powertrain resides under the hood and consists of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6, a 1.87 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and a 10-speed automatic transmission with an integrated electric motor. This enables the model to produce a combined output of 437 horsepower, 326 kilowatts/443 PS, and 583 lb-ft, 790 Nm, of torque. Customers can get rear or four-wheel drive, but neither is particularly efficient as the Sequoia tops out at 21 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway, and 22 miles per gallon combined. Pricing starts at $64,025, which is an increase of $1,600. The Limited climbs from $68,825 to $69,795 for a smaller $970 increase, while the Capstone jumps $520 to begin at $84,435.